Hello and welcome to Calculus 12 AP Calculus. I'll do one video for both courses since they're very similar. At the top of your page you'll notice the course description that just tells a little bit about the course. Below that you'll notice the textbook scanned, every chapter separately, as well as the answer key to all the odd numbered exercises. Below that is my V-Class link. I do them by appointment, so you can always email me if you get stuck on something and we can set up a V-Class together, one-on-one, to go over anything that you're having problems with in the course. The introduction section is very important. Please go through it. It has the introduction video. The first few stuff up here isn't really that important except for maybe the course description that has the mark breakdown for quizzes and exams. The first steps are the Calculus notebook. Please download and print this off. This you can use every time you watch a video. The videos go through and use the Calculus notebook, so you can fill in all the notes as you watch the videos, and you'll have an excellent and perfect study guide throughout the entire course. The Getting Active section shows what assignments you need to do in order to become active in the course. And the rest of this stuff is not too important except for maybe the schedule. Schedule you can use to set up, and you can put in a start date and an end date, and it'll tell you exactly when you should be completing every assignment in order to stay on that schedule, starting and ending at a specific time. Recorded V-classes I will post if need be, and I will post and let people know that I posted one in the teacher bulletin. Moving on to the first chapter, limits and their properties. Every chapter is set up very similarly. You'll notice that it has these icons with a little world, introduction, finding limits, and so on. These are where your notes are located, not the videos. The videos I have separate pages for. Technically, you could watch the videos and complete the quizzes. However, it's a good idea to do practice questions, and they are located in these links when you click on them. So when you click on Finding Links, you'll be taken to a page like this, and it has 12 pages of notes. Some are, it's all written. But halfway through and close to the end, so page 6 of the first one and page 11, you'll notice that there are practice activities. It tells you exactly what section to do, what page to do, and what exercises will pertain to, those exercises will pertain exactly to the quizzes, so it'll help you prepare. So make sure to check through each set of notes and you'll find all the practice exercises needed. And keep in mind that the sections 1.1 or 1.2 will refer to the chapter 1 of the textbook. In every chapter, there is a quiz and there are exams. Two types of exams are multiple choice and free response, FR. Free response section exams, what most students have done is done their work on paper, then they take pictures of their paper, and they submit that picture directly to the quiz. There's spots in every question that I've left that you can add a submission to, and you can add a file to, and then you can just upload your file directly there, finish the exam, and then I can mark your exam easily from your paper. So the course is made up of two parts. You have part A, and you also have part B. For both AP and for regular Calculus 12, part A is the same. The only difference is the semester 1 exam at the end. For AP students, you can just go ahead and do it. For non-AP students, if you're just taking regular Calculus 12, this needs to be a supervised exam by me. So please email me when you're ready to do the exam and we can get started. Either way, email me because there is a password protected for that exam. But if you're doing it non-AP, if you're doing it just regular Calculus 12, please email me and I can supervise you. Part B of the course is a little different. For AP students, there are 2 extra chapters that are not covered in regular 12. For Calculus 12, Part B only includes integration, some history, and differential equations. For AP Calculus, we have some history, transcendentals, differential equations, and applications, as well as a Semester 2 exam. Semester 2 exam I've only included for the AP students because it covers everything, and non-AP students will not have covered some of the material. And the Semester 2 exam for the AP students are optional, but it's a good way to study for the final AP exam. For the non-AP students, when you get to the section for integration, The test for integration, I've made the second supervised exam because we have two supervised exams. So again, There is sign up for it if you're taking this again non-AP, just a regular Calculus 12. Sign up and complete the exam supervised by me. It only covers Unit 5, so it's not too bad. So hopefully that helps get you started. Keep in mind, watch the videos, download that workbook because it will help, or the notebook, because it will help you immensely organize all your work, and it will keep all your notes in one spot, easy to see. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Thank you and have a great year.